What's up everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon, the crypto universe. Today is Friday, December 15th. In today's video, we're doing another follow-up because the Bonk token, the meme token of Solana, has now been listed on Binance exchange. Now, what has this done to the token price? Well, we're going to be looking into that within the charts, but also we're going to be seeing some record trading volume within Bonk. We've seen Bonk flip other tokens and even decided to become one of the most traded tokens amongst these other major top 10, top 50 cryptocurrencies within CoinMarketCap. So if you're curious if Bonk is going to be flipping Shiba Inu, which Shiba Inu has a $5 billion market cap as of right now, and Bonk having around $1.7 billion, is that eventually going to happen? Well, I'm going to share my thoughts throughout the entirety of this video, and be sure to stick around to the very end to hear my conclusion and statements. Very important. And as always, you need to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page. And most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. As you can see, Bonk consistently over the past 3 days has become the #1 trending cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap, still holding around 0.000028 cents. So that's pretty amazing considering that over the past 30 days, still up 939%. Now let's go ahead and look into the token price, because over the past day, we've seen it even jump up 68%. This is after the Binance listing. So obviously, this coin has a little bit more exposure on Binance because now it's available for spot trading. So people can either do spot trading or margin calls if they want to. Also keep in mind, now this was a recent message from Binance. It said the recent addition of Bonk on Binance has played a significant role in driving up its price as well. Binance intends to include the meme coin as a crypto asset that may be borrowed on its isolated margin program starting December 17th. So that's 2 days from now. Keep that in mind. Now let's look into the record-breaking flipping that we see Bonk doing. So if you don't know, Bonk is now ranked number 43 in terms of the coin market cap, and right now it's even flipped ApeCoin. Now ApeCoin is basically a digital currency for this NFT project called Bored Ape Yacht Club, and also for the other side Metaverse. It's the native cryptocurrency for that game. Now, ApeCoin used to be valued at billions of dollars, now has dropped down to around 643 million. So it's dropped a lot. And so Bonk, can you believe it? A meme token has flipped one of these Ethereum coins. Next up, it's also done max trading volume over the past 24 hours and flipped Avalanche. How crazy is that? And not only that, it's also flipped XRP's trading volume at one point as well. So you can see that right now, Bonk has more activity than these major layer 1 cryptocurrencies and also digital currencies such as XRP. And then also, let's talk about Bonk compared to Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, because we even saw that Bonk, their 24-hour trading volume, surpassed Dogecoin and Shiba Inu by like multi-millions of dollars, which is kind of crazy. So this is very huge, so you kind of understand what's really going on. And also, if you don't know, apparently Bonk is now becoming a new trend. It's actually almost close to flipping Shiba Inu in terms of Google search trends. So that's really huge considering that this token has only been around for less than a year, while Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have been around for more than 2 to 3 years. So let's look at where we are at. Can Bonk flip Shiba Inu, meaning its market cap? Because right now, really, Bonk is at $1.7 billion, while Shiba Inu is $5.7 billion. Remember, we talked about this in our video yesterday, which I'm going to put a link on the upper right hand side. And that's going to explain to you why the flipping can absolutely happen. And I still kind of stick by it. I definitely think that the meme coin craze with Bonk, the reason I think it's pumping, the reason why we see it possibly flipping Shiba Inu, is because of what Shiba Inu went through. People follow the narrative, people follow the trend, and they usually say respect the pump. All right, don't diss it, respect the pump. They say that about Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Now it's going for Bonk. When you see a pump like this, you gotta imagine like missing out on it. So people will probably either FOMO or they will probably either speculate, but regardless, they will not ignore the pump. So that's why they have to respect it. Now, another thing I want to share with you in terms of our follow-up video from yesterday, we talked about the Saga phone, right? This is the phone that's being sold on Solana, because apparently there are users who get airdropped 30 million tokens per phone. And again, we shared that in yesterday's video, which I'll put a link on the upper right hand side to tell you about that. But now the phone is officially sold out. Now there are around 20,000 new people who have bought these phones completely sold out and are going to be rewarded these 30 million Bonk tokens. So that's, roughly the same value of what you would buy, or maybe even more. You probably would get more bang for your buck considering where Bonk's token is at right now. But if it pumps even higher, then you're getting more bang for your buck. You get the price of two things, right? You get the phone and you basically get the token price. So let's go ahead and look into the charts, because that's what we really need to check out. So right now, this is kind of crazy. So we always update this chart to share with people what Bonk looks like to the USDT, which is Tether, which is a stable coin on the digital currency outlet. So let's look at this. So we had to retrace the whole Fibonacci retracement level. So right now, we actually formed a new high right around here. Not too long ago, we were actually right around here. But now this is now becoming the new support level because it's around the 50% Fibonacci retracement. These green volume sticks is very important. Why? Because it shows you how much volume is being bought into this to push the price up. These are new buyers, and most likely these are the people that are buying overseas because they're using Binance. Binance is the largest exchange in the world. And so now people are getting exposure to this. And what you're seeing is that the relative strength index is showing that we're still to the upside, that we're still seeing activity. So this is really cool. I definitely think that this token is not going to stop its rally. Could we see some retracement? I definitely think we could see some retracement, meaning that we could actually bounce back right around here at around 0.000021 cents. Keep that in mind, because right now it's hovering around the 27-cent level and higher. So if we expect some retracement, that's probably the best place to dollar cost average if that's the case. So I just want to share that with everybody, because this token is going to flip Shiba Inu regardless of what we think about it. And these are personally my thoughts. I definitely stand by it, and consider that whatever I'm sharing with you in this video, this is not financial advice. This is just educational and informative purposes only. So hopefully you make the best financial decision for yourself and position yourself really well, because you can buy this on Binance, you can buy this on Coinbase, and sooner or later many other exchanges, but those are the two largest exchanges in the world. Now, people keep saying, will Bonk reach 1 penny? I'm going to tell you the truth. I don't think it's going to reach 1 penny, because consider this. You have to be for this token, because there are literally like trillions of tokens. There's going to have to be a huge supply demand, meaning that this token is not going to be in the $1 billion market cap. It's going to be close to even a $1 trillion market cap for it to reach a penny, if that's the case. So keep that in mind. That's just my thoughts. Maybe it's not a trillion, maybe it's just, many billions of dollars. But consider that's a lot of money to be funneling into a meme coin. And just think of it like this. Shiba Inu, people were telling people that Shiba Inu is going to reach a penny, right? Yes, Bonk actually has a lower supply compared to Shiba Inu, but still it never reached a penny. And this just goes to show you how hard it is to actually get up there. And if you compare it to Dogecoin, which actually has fewer tokens, right? It actually has multi-billions rather than trillions. Then you really have to think, like, is it going to actually reach a penny? But because you know the truth, what we want to see is not it reaching a penny. It's basically how many zeros can Bonk eliminate. The less zeros we see, the more the token price goes up and the market cap increases. And that's why we can see this flipping Shiba Inu pretty soon. So I just want to share that with everybody. Let me know your thoughts down below, what you predict around Shiba Inu's price. Where do you think it's going to go in terms of its token? Where do you think the market cap is going to go? How soon do you think it's going to flip Shiba Inu? Well, I want to hear those comments down below, and I cannot wait to read them. Until then, we'll keep you updated, everything within Bonk. But as always, if you want to stay up to date with what's going on with the Bonk token, you need to like the button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page, most importantly, to receive all of our alpha calls regarding the Bonk token when we're buying, selling, and trading this token. And we cannot wait to see you there. Until then, I'll see you guys and girls next time.